Eba Obi Akwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the promo. Hopeson Adorye means some more copy. A push for effort. Then the court need to the man the bill. And some course no penny akasa. I would say, along to the dramatic. We Hopeson in free party. Now it is a million ever promo. Now, so now, Mr. Say, so when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Would say over click the subscribe button. Now, what daily notification. We answer video for be available also answer ever can be. I feel we are now what I give you on my thumbs up. Nothing was share my awful so in your now one now who the echo so. Ever memoir. I feel your call a year and singing. Hopeson Adorye movement for change means some Kenya or Castle MPP for some or the Baba before until acquire simply now a push for a coaching, then a court. Now, Yamani Bay, another penny be a trainer in a father course on our chest. They are a long could do dramatic. Only Hopeson every party was also an party will be to the party secret in Sammy as I put down a party for. Now, penny in Sammy in the 2 fire Hopeson Subai, our chest as Subai or than a dinner in his pampa. And selfish interest and money, yes, I was say, I'm done now airport now when joining the end of one casa. The 3 free party now work Cassan and your penny and Sammy green, the 2 FIA. Hopeson Adorye in Sam Cooking. Now, yes, a many a year penny summer or the 2 FIA Hopeson Suba or Danny, a year and summer worker with you.
Kwaku Annan the whole how Hopeson Adorye or Major Jacobus Captain. When we give Gyamfi for some more traffic, people shouldn't discuss them. You come to you. Asante me am come to you. You go why you come to you? The people shouldn't even discuss them. They are very dangerous people. When you guys were enjoying, now no, you don't know what you know. No more airport. What me be baby? I could now. Who you so wine or be no can send back. What have changed? What changed? O personal parochial interest bibiki to abi kase wo na mu de wotiam ade nso abo obi tirim on kan hwe obi di political party na chi 20 years 40 years 50 years onya handkerchief akokora nkutai nipa konda so di akire wode picture na bo wode ayi Victor Owusu picture na so bone dem o picture number 1 onya 1 CD odi akire obi di NDC achi from the mampende that Rolling Star achi no who say anoma and I say we at the extra bedroom samre, you know what they are born in them bedroom samre, onya 1 quen. We're going to know who the actually how many years? How old are you? What are large baba or petty number 1? Onya 1 city there. Baby, I'm not torn a petrol crane, create a crown, a month for Bajifri in the same, what I should be part in the chin, mother should be actually. The 1 year in actually no because I did 1 2 3 power bufu yentine what's he shiening in Antungu. Hopeson Adorye the 1 year in and then we are sitting here. Time we are abuse our time we must have a dear Bechiam and Ako weekend. We are discussing him. On your money papa is discuss over. And no also on your own feeling in a good table, so it may affect the fortune of the party. If the party goes to position and you will not be there be. And a party be win and you know party na win. And I could be catching you say, Pakwebo so no born your man party in the power, no sin a cotu mercy people. Sometimes individually one you think say unkwan na yo unkwan means fa punkuta unkwan mean fa you know there is like unkwan team fa nkuta sum unkwan you infiltrate be and have been be brisa. But people like that they are dangerous people. Obeti me jaise see hopes beti me jaise see so ko NDC, new information, the Europa Maninja Fanko, it won't add anything to the fortunes of NDC. Okay. Ma Opa NDC ni, me mu biedin. Ma NDC ni amunim no pa, on so kuta all the winning in our own giant NDC number MPP. No for all the winning in a room. It will not change. What will change? And it's the policies of the party. What will enrich the lifestyle of the people. That is what Ghanaians are looking out for. Aduane beto ne table so amena nya aduane de ne ba wies ko obenya endurance adwuma ye ne ba Agyarko hospital obenya ba bia me yahwe no amena o ba bi da obenya ba bia da ma ade ache no akromfo ntete no ne kwan ka betima fa ne kwan so motimi akọ okutaska obenya bibidi ato aduane adi inflation beba form ama niema ho kire ne man so no sa 77 asasa niema we mu se me say me won niema bibira meka kan wo kan de aduane betom yam wo peki number 1 me table so na selfish and political interest shame. And what he's doing, he's just digging the grave for no one. Those needing and call for dinner. People will not take them serious. A day will come, and I say a year will come, 20, 30, 40 years. And the bar and also be say, I'm not prophet of doom. The bar and also be DB so be political leader and also be be ye we a deal was own papa anyway. There be we are coming to you. Tell them the omojuns omoyobi. They are not doing the political party.
All right.
Tell them to repent.
All right.
And people like that, you shouldn't take them serious. They are dangerous people. They are so selfish. Almost too much. They are too selfish. And come on, dear. Time on come on now, but na motorcade dinner. They are not party. No secret. But no secret.
Doc, would you say MPP as a party? And I ben you cry. Ebe per se investigate because Hopeson Adorye Atta radio so. A threaten say so mu pushina and yen him say Hopeson Adorye say na lawyer opoku kano say was serving in certain sensitive positions wabe national executive member of the party. In fact, national security kura waye mu adwuma at a point in time on na at that airport as a head of security ewo ho ebi mu say Hopeson threaten na o ma say omo ya omo pushing obeka no ebia na we yango say he
oni hute ni makati was say senko beti maka bibia kokwe nyido oni Atta mills nyankopon fa na crazy they were like this. And my country says like secret political parties, like secret society, they have a lot. But Sanya man be bringing shaking the foundation. And shaking the foundation. So they make a foundation. You know, say the like law of contract. Now say we know the foundation and then the root, the this and the lips in the wall. And you know, and you dear one be bringing this Sanya man we know. There be there no all beka. The time he was benefiting. So before when you are grieved. Now, councilman, it's different from when you are at the normal level. I can was maybe of me no I continue can once. It's different from say we are when no can no can once the way people will take it. No more can there won't benefit it. Go and see the properties be sabi minimum but go and see the properties be at this time. Say can pass no fast when you are in if you have benefited from the road. And you are saying you are spilling at the road, you are rotten. He's rather even destroying baby or swako. I'm saying friend of Fantona. Would you have Fanton and Sacring in a good kakran? Or minimum common in a film to say you na. Yasuma Yuna now uncle no cottonables, you inquire, or macanity McCoy, a Fanton in Pana, a Fantopapano, Unimuna, Ubina to Sunuma Jana Motimiako. He's killing their party, but not MPP. And if NDC thing say, they are benefiting from where they are now, they should go and test. Say, baby, or Becano, a bema, the Orkan, a bema party, and lose a single vote to crown, and they should go and test. I'm a researcher, and I know what I'm talking about. It can be, say, a manager attractive to certain people be on bed joining. For that one, they can have this, but I can tell you 100% say, any way, or no, or digging the grave. That's the question you do. So, only baby, you
but or chess or
you understand it? There was one man there, your friend Jacobus Capitaine. Jacobus Capitaine. What do you
know?
One ten how about them? Debbie. Emrofredi Kaba Ghana first. No more people be Ghana ni that and go coast. More people be our blacker or tea. Betimi amana ti omo niema na se no motimi ogina na so atwe nipa free Afghana for na se go coast for no mfante for no maba no motimi be di omochi nto mo fa no eno mo de ko abritire ko su ade ye bibia wie no mo de ba Ghana ndi ba Cape Coast ogwa obeduru e ndo ye ohun ni nko afo no ohun mo se omo ye nkrasefo nto ko mo no didi o matem nti no omonje no omanje no oba mrofo no so ha mrofo no so say black omonje no he was torn in between wo gina infinite na duase no wi ombo kamrofo ade ombo onka kese pa ne ono ina chiri omo ko Caribbean omko fa Caribbeans no e ba no mudi koku ni body ani menkani ina na bi ni awo no le ba no mutimi ni Ghana fo no e be ka bo mu no mutimi twenkofo ba ni ba sere na se commission start be be adwuma Kwaku nyari the whole how Hopeson Adorye Agyapong Jacobus captain people shouldn't discuss them.
Microphobia say we are very bitter. You might din a we ye na ye bia piepie ono a kan we for ka ho na man for enjoy.
Obia obeba be jira radio so say ya decide we ya adi no eje ne ya no nipa no sebe no abodam. Why should I waste my time? Sebe de ma fo de bibia be ya adwuma na wo yi bi ti ja be sebe de enye be ya me de me sresre. Enye nya atom. Yes, your number no Sufidia, your number no Neshe, and I'm what. Yes, on good is our own, and yet I may say they should not push me. They should not.
Sabitaness ne woman and Microphobia say,
now, or money, Bambo, who to no more than 7 but I have no more.
I ain't fun for us, I'm not going.
I'm 54 not 7 American.
Almost we are bitter and you can me and funny serious.
And your problem. Me de bitter saying, my papa, ye, you mamma, one ya, as soon as so di, 80 dan, lutu. Better no one can James me a bitter. Better no one can that. Monty Group had a 2012, 2016, almost every weekend. Now, me Kumati say, and yet the TV do so ya Juma near move from constituency to constituency. Monye, I can say witness to it. Now, me first in a queue. I worked. Check 2012. NDC 40 meets CZ Kumati. The stronghold of MPP. Not MPP for Krekata no Musu. And yet, sadly, Bene, I can't say, me, I mean, you have put it on Konya or Kenzie. Me, Papa, and this one for a more drama man for your mom. I did him. 2012 elections. Me, poor Abba, and what a Maria and me far right, and I'm a Bahati. Ubia, what didn't I do the Kotia? Election day, me call round Takra, and I'm a veteran, Ashefem. Now, plans are more nani ade. Make Kasaya every police station they should get a gallon of petrol. Ade Murefi. No more yet over the police car best swap ballot boxes in the ade. What Murefi? At the phone over the organ. At the phone over the organ. Obia Jadi Panty will be Obrumao. Obia Jadi Pa and see will be Ewuprum. I better not want to be a bitter because one just be a ready. You know. The Becca Chota will be better. May I catch a bit because let's say, Ubia, ya did the Bibeyo, me, Nipano Sadipan for heaven. Me nitro, I said no credit, but say a Jeremia. Hey, and they said any part of whom
you're waiting for winning and some year penny, edit to guarding later. Hopeson Adorye means some of Koka Annan, police for Cotino, naturally, a court, my money bill. And I watch a survey, okay, allow Kojo Kyeremanteng when you need to a party, Sunset Bano, then you know, a tree. Now, what is some good one hour and Net2 because Jishinu so and our Heno, so we now subscribe. Let's just say over subscribe or don't like it. Now, watch a video, of Frosso, a baby now, what her no be a air cost. Also, but me actually, what doing Afriyie and some women are who I will comment boxing. Mubati Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.